Hello friends, in this video we are going to discover the top 10 best states to relocate to in 2024. In spite of high mortgage rates and lean inventory, people are still packing up their belongings and moving to a new neighborhood, a new town or a new state. What are the best states to move to when it comes to safety and quality of living? If you're thinking of relocating this year, consider New Hampshire, Wyoming, Virginia, Rhode Island, and Wisconsin, which lead the most recent list of the best states to move to, according to moving experts. They analyze data on job openings, quality of healthcare and schools, average house prices, the rate of violent crime, and average salaries in each state to identify the top 10 states to take up residence for living at its best. Kindly make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon before we start this video about the 10 best states to relocate to in 2024. Now let's dig deeper into each of the top 10 best states to relocate to in 2024. Number 10. Pennsylvania. The Keystone State is the fifth most populous state in the U.S. Philadelphia is the state's largest city and home to Independence Hall and the Liberty Bell. The median price of a home was $203,800, which is 37.9% less than the national average of $257,268, and the average rent was $979 per month. The Philadelphia Stock Exchange, now owned by NASDAQ Incorporated, is the oldest stock exchange in the United States. Pennsylvania is one of the best places to live in the U.S. due to its low cost of living, culture, and history. It's close to other metro areas, such as NYC, Boston, etc. One of the most tax-friendly states for retirees is Pennsylvania, where retirement income is exempt from taxes. The state is renowned for its rich history, picturesque landscapes, and vibrant culture. For individuals looking to embrace a fulfilling life, Pennsylvania offers an abundance of opportunities. Number 9. Minnesota. The land of 10,000 lakes has the third highest quality of healthcare out of the top 10 states, alongside New Hampshire, with Rochester the home of the world-famous Mayo Clinic. The unemployment rate in Minnesota was only 3%. Minnesota's average salary is $68,010, or 7.6% more than the national average. Minnesota is also one of the best states for education. Minnesota has 90,000 miles of shoreline, more than California, Florida, and Hawaii combined. With its strong job and friendly communities, Minnesota provides a rich and multifaceted living experience. The homeownership rate in Minnesota ranks third in the nation at 75.6%. We're also ranked the second best state to start a family by WalletHub, due to our high-quality education, healthcare, culture, and family-oriented communities. Number 8. Utah. The Beehive State has the highest level of job openings per 100,000 people, 3,984, and the third highest school quality rating in the top 10 list. The median household income in Utah is $79,133, ranking it 12th in the nation. Utah also ranks number 1 in the nation for GDP growth. Salt Lake City is a regional center of finance and trade, and many large enterprises have offices there. Utah has all 4 seasons and offers some of the best national parks in the country. Life expectancy rates are higher in Utah. The average resident lives to nearly 79 years old, which ranks Utah in the top 10 in the United States. Utah also has a great healthcare system. Compared to other major cities, Utah offers a relatively lower cost of living, making it easier to manage your budget. Additionally, Utah is consistently ranked as one of the safest states in the U.S., providing a secure and peaceful environment. Number 7. North Dakota. Out of the top 10 states, the Peace Garden State has the third highest level of job openings per 100,000 people at 3,613, 10.4% above the national average. North Dakota has the lowest average house price of the top 10 states at $254,258. It also has a place in the top 10 because the total cost of housing, food, childcare, transportation, healthcare, taxes, and other necessities is 11.4% lower than the U.S. average. North Dakota is a family-friendly state to live in. One of the advantages is its relatively low cost of living and high quality of life. The Peace Garden State is at peace with its crazy cold winters and routinely ranks as one of the happiest. Cold hands, warm hearts, it seems. Balancing a robust agricultural and oil economy, It offers a blend of tranquil rural areas and energetic cities under vast skies. Living in North Dakota means experiencing the changing seasons, from cold, snowy winters to warm, sunny summers, and enjoying outdoor activities like fishing, hunting, and hiking. Number 6. Connecticut. In 1901, Connecticut was also the first state in the United States to pass a law establishing a speed limit for automobiles. The average salary in Connecticut is $84,972, 35.3% higher than the national average and the highest average salary in the top 10 states. Connecticut also has the second lowest violent crime rate in the top 10 at 150 per 100,000 people. It is one of the top states in the U.S. when it comes to healthcare, worker protection, and a low crime rate. Connecticut residents are generally some of the happiest in the nation. Connecticut's quality of life consistently ranks among the top states in the country, thanks to our highly ranked schools, our low crime rates, our healthy population, and so much more. Pristine lakes and ponds of all sizes, perfect for fishing, hiking, and exploring. Number 5. Wisconsin. The Badger State is home to the Wisconsin Dells, which boasts the largest number of water parks in a single area in the world. It was also in Ripon, Wisconsin, that the Republican Party was founded. Wisconsin has the lowest average home price in the top 5 states at $290,926, 18% below the national average of $354,886. It also has the second highest quality of schools. Wisconsin is one of the best places to live in the United States for a high quality of life. Living in Wisconsin is ideal for those who love the outdoors, but also want to enjoy low-cost living, affordable housing, safe and family-friendly neighborhoods, and plenty of job opportunities. Living in Wisconsin blends the conveniences of urban living with natural beauty, Midwest friendliness, and incredibly affordable cost of living. Add to that low crime rate and high-ranking schools and you can see why parents consider it a great place to raise a family. Number 4. Rhode Island. The Ocean State is the smallest and the second most densely populated state in the nation. The oldest restaurant in the United States, the White Horse Tavern in Newport, was established in 1763 and is still operating today at total capacity. Rhode Island has the highest quality of healthcare in the nation, alongside Iowa. It also has the third lowest rate of violent crime in the top 10 states. With 12 colleges and universities, higher education is one of the state's major industries. The Ocean State low crime rate, top quality education, affordable housing, and natural beauty makes it one of the best places to live in the country. If you love festivals and events, great tasty food, sports, and an eco-friendly environment, moving to Rhode Island is perfect for you. Rhode Island offers a unique coastal lifestyle that is a dream for seafood lovers and beachgoers. Living in Rhode Island means having easy access to picturesque shorelines, vibrant seaside towns like Newport, and a bustling cultural scene. Number 3. Virginia. Virginia is home to the world's largest naval base and has the second highest concentration of tech workers, after California. Virginia is home to the largest office building in the world, the Pentagon. It has the fourth highest quality of schools out of the top 10 states, and the fourth highest quality of healthcare, considering the cost of healthcare, access to healthcare, and the health of residents. Virginia also has the lowest annual private health insurance premiums in the country at $5,172, 49.5% below the national average in America. Strong school systems, quality of housing, and safety were some of the top reasons many Virginia residents give for moving to the state. The wide variety of scenery in Virginia provides a variety of things to do. Residents can hike the Appalachian Trail, Blue Ridge Mountains, or explore Shenandoah National Park. Visiting or living in Virginia Beach gives you access to beautiful sandy coasts. Number 2. Wyoming. Wyoming, the cowboy state, has the lowest population of all the 50 states. In fact, more people live in Denver, Colorado, than in all of Wyoming. It has the highest quality of schools when considering factors such as graduation rates and the number of students per teacher. Wyoming's average salary is $71,342, which is 13.6% higher than the national average. Wyoming, the land of wide open spaces and untamed wilderness, offers a lifestyle that can be both immensely rewarding and challenging. This sparsely populated state, known for its vast open landscapes, provides residents with a lifestyle deeply connected to nature and a strong sense of community. With one of the lowest population densities in the country, Wyoming offers a sense of solitude and space that is hard to find elsewhere. This low density contributes to a quieter, more relaxed lifestyle, with less traffic and lower levels of pollution. Number 1. New Hampshire. New Hampshire, the live free or die state, is the 5th smallest state by area and the 10th least populous state in the country. There is no personal income tax and no general sales tax either. The average salary is $74,663. That's 18.9% higher than the national average of $62,777. New Hampshire also has the lowest violent crime rate, including serious offenses such as homicide, robbery, and aggravated assault. New Hampshire is a popular retirement destination for many Americans seeking a peaceful and scenic environment with access to outdoor activities, cultural events, and a moderate climate. The dense and lush forests, especially in the North Country, provide endless hiking, camping, and wildlife exploration opportunities. Additionally, New Hampshire boasts a rugged coastline along the Atlantic Ocean, with charming towns like Portsmouth offering a blend of historic charm and coastal allure. So, which are your favorite states among the top 10 best states to relocate to in 2024? Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this. Post your favorite states among the top 10 best states to relocate to in 2024 in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too.